Now, you used to hear about top 10 Google search results, and I'm here to tell you now that that is a complete myth, because if you look at the same search result that we had in the last video, plumbers in Clarkston, Michigan, you can clearly see that there's much more than 10 search results on the page. And if we were to count them up, it's 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we're at 10, we're only halfway down the page. So there's at least 25 links on this page to go to a different website. So this is a crowded search result. Now, a crowded search result is a good search result because this means that this is something that people would type in, and Google knows this. And that's why it's put up more links on the page. What we're going to go over in this video is exactly what all of these different links mean. These are in the colored box. You can see these right here look different than the rest, and then you have these small links. So I'm going to explain each and every section and what it takes to get your website ranked there. First, I'd like to draw your attention up here to this group of search results right here. There's 3, and they have this sort of light peach background or box surrounding them. And what these are is paid ads. And that's these 3 up here and this list of ads that runs down the side of the page, which, just like the name implies, is you have to pay to get your ad here. And the way it works with Google is you pay per click. And it's very commonly called pay per click advertising. So if I were to click this ad, they would owe Google a specified amount of money. And how that's determined is Google lets everyone who wants to appear for this keyword to bid on how much they're willing to pay per click. Whoever's willing to pay the highest amount gets the top result. And then it trickles down. Now, right underneath the paid ads is these 3. Then if you come down, you'll see that this section looks a little bit different right here. And then the rest of the way down, we have similar ads to the first 3 that we looked at. So this group right here and this group right here are what are called organic Google results. And what this means is you cannot pay to have your web page ranked here. The websites that get ranked in the Google organic results are websites that Google feels are the most relevant to the keyword that you typed in here. So the only way to get a website ranked in organic results is to make sure that it's optimized in such a way that Google feels that it's the most relevant website that relates to the keyword that the searcher typed in. And there's a whole process that's involved in optimizing a site, which I'll go over in a separate video. But for now, I want to go over this last section that's in the Google search result that you see in here. And you'll notice the difference is they each have this section on the side with these little map pins that correspond to this map up here. And what this is Google Places. And Google Places is Google's program for local businesses. In order to participate in Google Places, you must be a brick and mortar business with an actual physical address and a phone number. And Google started this to cut down on spam and allow local businesses to kind of get an edge in search results, because they know that almost half the results that they get are for people searching for a local business. Now, I will also explain in detail how Google Places work and how you get ranked in each of these, but what you need to know for now is you can get in here by paying for it. You get in this result for having a highly optimized site for organic search results. And you get in this result for being part of the Google Places program, but also having a highly optimized Google Places profile.